Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Anai, and today I wanted to do a totally different look. I have been procrastinating this look for like forever, just because I don't know how to do it. I've never done it before, and well, how am I gonna know if I've never done it before? So I'm just gonna go ahead and try it out with you guys and actually just do a little YouTube video about it. I'm going to be using some tissue to create this look. It seems to be like very like, to me, a piece of art. I've seen it in a lot of girls and a lot of boys, and I just love it. So I did my eyebrows behind the scenes. I really have a hard time doing my eyebrows. That has been one of my hardest things to do when I was young, and actually I was like probably in junior high. I was being lazy, to be honest, and I didn't want to plug out my eyebrows, so I put a little bit of soap right here, and then I started to shave it like that, a little bit, and then the soap, well, it's too slippery, and I was like, oh my gosh, like I literally cried, dude, like literally, like I cried. And then, well, my mom, she was actually working nights, so nobody was home. It was just me and pues yo haciendo mis vagancias, you know. I was like, what do I do? Should I just keep one? And I was like, I was laughing at the same time, but then I was really nervous because I was like, oh my gosh, like this can't be happening, because I only had this part right here. Seriously, I only had my fingernail, or like, yeah, the size of my fingernail, and it was like that. So imagine not having this and just looking like this. Like, bro, oh my gosh, I freaking flipped. And then, well, obviously I had to get some eyebrows on, right? So then I started to think to myself, like, should I take them all off or should I just leave it? And so I was like, well, it's already off, so alright, let's just do it. And I took it off, the other one, and then I was like, oh my god. So imagine me without eyebrows, guys. Oh, I almost had a heart attack that night. And then, so I was crying in the bathroom. I remember I was crying, and then I was like, what do I do? So I go to my mom's room and I look for an eyebrow pencil, and she has no black. And so I'm like, okay. So she has this light brown pencil, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's lighter than my skin. Like, what the heck? It's not even, you can't even paint on it because it was lighter than my skin, literally, guys. So yeah, it was lighter than my skin, and I was like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? I have to go to school tomorrow. And I was like, bueno, pues ni modo, like this is the only thing that I have. So I did my eyebrows, and well, they're not perfect, obviously.
Mommy, and that's a
Fart. Okay. And so yeah, my mom comes home from work, and then she wakes me up and she tells me the story, and she says that she's like, pues yo entré al cuarto, and well, I was laying down, right? I was asleep, and I made sure that I went to sleep like this so I wouldn't move, and then, you know, so I wouldn't be having a hard time in the morning trying to fix them. And my mom wakes up and she's like, Ana, ¿qué te pasó? And she started cracking up, guys. When I tell you, like, I lost it, guys, and she lost it too. And I was like, ay, ama, pues this and this happened, and she was tripping, I was tripping. I was like, oh my god. So yeah, that is my eyebrow story. I hope you guys enjoyed my little story time. But well, yeah, the next day I actually went to school. And that's so funny because I still remember. I went to school the next day, and I went to my friend Mariela, and I was like, Mariela, please fix my eyebrows, because she would shave her eyebrows. So back then that was a thing too, like you would shave your eyebrows and stuff. And so yeah, she actually fixed them for me. But No. Pues yeah, I can't say never. Well, never again. I will do that for sure. Unless it's really an emergency. But, oh, geez, guys, that's hilarious. But anyways, I did my whole concealer right here. I know I did take forever, but okay, so I'm gonna be using this palette, which is called Take Me Back to Brazil. It has 35 colors. It is very pigmented and I do like the colors. I hope this look does pop out, and let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so I do have my tissue right here. Okay guys, so here goes the first color, which is a green color. Okay,
Too much.
we'll do it on the other side.
You're squishing your eye.
Okay, let's do the next color.
Different.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the next color, which is blue. Okay, I'm actually loving it. Okay, so the next color is pink.
Pink.
I'm gonna go in right here. Did I do it right? Did I get it?
I guess not.
Okay. Oh. Bueno, a esa le faltó poquito. A ver. I messed that one up, but okay, let's try with the other one.
I'm waiting for you so I can be beautiful. I'm trying to wait.
You're trying to wait for me?
Yes.
No.
No, like you just keep.
I don't look like a clown.
Yes, you do.
Ay, mi madre. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my base, my foundation, my contour, and everything else. And then I'll be right back with you guys to finish up the eyes. Okay guys, so I am done with my face. I'm gonna go ahead and go back to my eyes, and we're gonna go back to the palette. Actually, I'm gonna go with the dark purple.
Dark?
And I'm gonna go ahead and use just my small pencil that I do have right here and underline my waterline. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I did. That was really fun to recreate. I actually got this idea from Candy Lover. I don't know if you guys follow her, but she is Puerto Rican and I love to watch all her videos. She makes me feel confident about myself. Like, nobody's perfect. I'm not perfect, you're not perfect, nobody's perfect. But in this world, we all have to, you know, give each other love and support, and just support one another, and just be that one girl that says, hey, there's one more spot that you can sit at. So anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys all, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys.